Delta Tango, thanks, sir. Wind 070 degrees 19 knots, clear to land runway 07.
07, Delta Tango.
Delta Tango arrived at 02, vacate via taxi Delta, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Delta 2171 clear, Delta Tango.
07.
388, thanks, Roger, wind 060 degrees 16 knots, clear to land runway 07.
And 07, American 2388.
Lucky 187.
Frontier Flight 116, thanks, Tower, Roger, continue approach 07, traffic here flying now, 5 miles final.
He's ready.
22, thanks, Tower, Roger, stand by for departure, will shorten. JetBlue 522, line up for 807.
JetBlue 522.
2388, arrive 10, vacate Alpha, expedite, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Alpha, expedite, contact ground, American 2388.
Frontier Flight 116, expect landing clear, short final releasing traffic.
Anyway.
522, wind is 070 degrees 19 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07, over on the roll.
Clear takeoff 7, JetBlue 522.
By 116, wind 070 degrees 20 knots, clear to land 07.
Well, land running 721.6.
Two contact, thanks, radar 120.8, airborne 12. 1116, arrived 13, vacate via taxi Bravo, contact ground 12171, clear.
Drive over to ground for Airflow 116 a day. Was 1042 is ILS, runway 7.
42 Sangster, Tower, continue approach runway 07, SS 206 traffic departing, will be proceeding on the left downwind.
Continue Southwest 104.
One 042, wind 070 degrees 17 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 7, Southwest 1042.
That's 1042, arrive 17, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 1217, when clear.
Okay, via Bravo, and contact ground 217, Southwest 1042.
19er Sangster Tower, confirm ready for departure.
Departure Southwest 919.
Southwest 919, wind 060 degrees 19 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07.
Clear for takeoff 07, Southwest 919.
Airborne 19, contact Sangster Radar 120.8, good day.
919 with you.
92 Sangster Tower, wind 070 degrees 16 knots, clear to land runway 07.
with you for runway 07.
975, Tower Archer, continue approach 07.
Continue, American 975.
First down to 2, arrive 25, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71 clear.
Bravo and then ground point 1 will clear Southwest 292.
Southwest 2482, Tower, confirm ready for departure.
For departure, Southwest 2482.
Southwest 2482, wind is 080 degrees 18 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07, order on the roll.
Takeoff runway 07, Southwest 2482.
5, expect landing clearance short final releasing 737 traffic.
Roger.
American 975, wind 080 degrees, 18 knots, clear to land runway 07.
75, clear to land, runway 07.
Bay West Shed 2702 or RP 07.
702, thanks, territory, roger, continue approach 07 traffic, following is about 2 miles south.
Continue and check the traffic, West Shed 2702.
Flight 49, just coming up on a boxing.
Flight 49, thanks, Tara, roger, continue approach 07 traffic here, following 6 miles final.
7, Frontier Flight 49.
Southwest 2482, airborne 27, contact thanks, 0.120.8, good day.
Good day, sir.
In 975, arrive 28, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 12171, clear.
Roger, American 975, Bravo over to ground. Good day.
2702, wind 070 degrees, 20 knots, clear to land runway 07.
And runway 07, West Shed 2702.
Arrive 31, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 12171, clear.
Ground 21.7, West Shed 27.
Flight 49, wind 070 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Alright, clear to land 07, Frontier Flight 49.
6, ILS DME 07.
1146, thanks, Star, roger, continue approach 07 traffic here, following 3 miles final.
For 07, United 1146.
Arrived 33, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.71, clear.
21.7, Frontier Flight 49.
Headed 1146, wind 080 degrees 16 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 07, United 1146.
Tower, JetBlue 2427, action.
2427 Sangster Tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
Tower, American 1349er will be ready after United.
1349 Sangster Tower, roger, stand by for departure, short.
Short, American 1349er.
Headed 1146, arrive 35, vacate via taxi Bravo, ground 12171, clear.
Gate via Bravo, ground 121.71, clear, United 1146.
349er, wind 080 degrees 15 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07, all the way on the roll.
Runway 07, clear for immediate takeoff, American 1349er.
2427, continue, expect landing crash, short final.
2427, continue.
Challenger November 601 Hotel Whiskey is with the ILS, DME, runway 7.
1 Hotel Whiskey, Sangster Tower, roger, continue approach 07, traffic, you're following 1 mile final.
Sounds good, we'll continue for Hotel Whiskey.
427, wind 07 degrees 16 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 2427.
American 1349, airborne at 37, contact Sangster at 120.8, good day.
20.8, good day, American 1349er.
Four two seven RF 38, vacate Bravo, ground 12171, clear.
Over to JetBlue 2427.
62 Echo Charlie, wind 060 degrees 20 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Takeoff, runway 7, 2 Echo Charlie.
Tower, citation 545 Juliet Sierra, now number 1, runway 7, waiting on power release.
545 Juliet Sierra, Sangster Tower, and stand by for departure, hold short.
Anybody?
Juliet Sierra, on a point, runway 07. Number 162 Echo Charlie, airborne at 56, contact Sangster radar 120.8.
182 Echo Charlie, so on.
5 Juliet Sierra, expect wheels up in 2 minutes.
Wheels up in 2 minutes, 545 Juliet Sierra.